Good morning / good afternoon, everyone. This is MSRNDA 2007 here, and I'm going to be showing you what a Midland WR-120EZ looks like when it does a required weekly test. Today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2020. Current time is 11:59, and they're going to be issuing their required weekly test. This is going to be on WXK85 here in Oklahoma City. So, yeah, they're getting ready to issue the required weekly test. So, once again, this is the Midland WR-120EZ. So, and this required weekly test is on WXK85 in Oklahoma City.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages.